Welcome back. Today we're tackling a challenge problem with massive exponents. Find the last two digits of 71 to the power of 456 times 61 to the power of 567. As we know, finding the last two digits means we need to compute this expression modulo 100. We'll use the Carmichael Lambda function. From our previous video, we know that lambda of 100 equals 20. Note that both 71 and 61 are coprime with 100, so we can apply the lambda function. First, we simplify the exponents using the fact that any number coprime to 100 raised to the 20th power is congruent to 1 modulo 100. For 71 to the 456, we divide 456 by 20. 20 times 22 is 440, with remainder 16. So 71 to the 456 is congruent to 71 to the 16 modulo 100. For 61 to the 567, we divide 567 by 20. 20 times 28 is 560. With remainder 7. So 61 to the 567 is congruent to 61 to the 7 modulo 100. Therefore, our original expression is congruent to 71 to the 16 times 61 to the 7 modulo 100. Now we need to calculate 71 to the 16 modulo 100. Let's use exponentiation by squaring. 71 to the 1 is 71. 71 squared is 5041, which is 41 mod 100. 71 to the 4th is 41 squared equals 1681, which is 81 mod 100. 71 to the 8th is 81 squared equals 6561, which is 61 mod 100. Finally, 71 to the 16th is 61 squared equals 3721, which is 21 mod 100. So, 71 to the 16 is congruent to 21 modulo 100. Next, we need to calculate 61 to the 7 modulo 100. 61 to the 1 is 61. 61 squared is 3721. Which is 21 mod 100. 61 to the 4th is 21 squared equals 441, which is 41 mod 100. Now, 61 to the 7th equals 61 to the 4th times 61 squared times 61 to the 1st, which is 41 times 21 times 61. Let's calculate this step by step. First, 41 times 21 equals 861, which is 61 mod 100. Then, 61 times 61 equals 3721, which is 21 mod 100. So, 61 to the 7 is congruent to 21 modulo 100. Now we combine our results. We have 71 to the 16 congruent to 21. And 61 to the 7 also congruent to 21. So our expression is congruent to 21 times 21 modulo 100. 21 times 21 equals 441. 441 mod 100 is 41. Therefore, 71 to the 456 times 61 to the 567 is congruent to 41 modulo 100. Which means the last two digits are 41. If you want to learn more about how we got lambda of 100 equals 20, check out our previous video linked in the description.